Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the car safely and quickly accessing the sway bar link. Jack the vehicle, place stands under solid points, and remove the wheel so you can see the link clearly. Once exposed, loosen the top nut a few turns to relieve tension. This helps prevent the stud from spinning. Use penetrating oil on corroded threads to make removal smoother, and have replacement parts and tools at hand so you stay efficient. With the wheel off, hold the link stud steady with the appropriate hex socket or Allen key while you back off the nut so the stud doesn't spin. If the link binds, use a ball joint separator or controlled hammer strikes to free it. Avoid bending surrounding suspension. Slide out the old link, compare parts, and install the new one with bushings oriented as the original. Thread the nuts by hand to prevent cross-threading, then torque to the manufacturer's spec to ensure proper clamping. After installation, torque both nuts to the specified value. This secures the link and maintains sway bar geometry. Once torqued, lower the car, reinstall the wheel, and tighten lug nuts to spec. Take a short test drive that includes turns and a couple of bumps to verify elimination of play and noise. If you still hear clunks, make sure torque is correct, and then inspect control arm bushings and ball joints. These can mimic a bad link and require the same.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.